Good morning, y'all. Happy Thursday. So today I just rushed out the house because I have to go handle a important task. It's very urgent actually, for the firm, and I wasn't expecting to work today, not in the field or from the office. I was expecting to work from home today, but it's not a problem because I really wasn't doing much. So I need to go to the courthouse and handle something very important. I got a few minutes before I get there. And yeah, so y'all are going to see a little bit of like a, day in the life or what I did today as a paralegal and stuff like that. I love this. I love my job. Like, I love my new career field. Like, this is like what I wanted to do. This is everything. It's like very interesting. Every day is kind of almost different. All right, y'all, I'm 16 minutes away before I make it to my destination, and y'all will see everything that I have to do, maybe.
High volume, high volume.
Come rewind it. Girl, I get the money if you make you mine. If you're loving every night, you make you mad. Now only you give me love and make me nice, nice, nice. I have to make you mine. Girl, I love you cause I never make you mine.
Okay, y'all, so I made it to the dentist's office. I have a lot of personal care things that I need to handle today, so this is the first stop.
You gon' lose my light. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. You think that I love you every day. Diamond eyes, you use my money, I go pay. For your love, I go pay. It ain't making money,
Good morning, y'all. Happy Thursday. All right, so today is a busy day, as you all can probably tell by the title, but I have a very busy morning. It's Thursday, it's almost the end of the week, and I have a lot of stuff on my to-do list today. So today I have a 9 o'clock meeting, but I also have court today at 9 o'clock as well. And I'm super excited because it's my first time going to court as a criminal defense paralegal. And one of the cases that I'm working on that I'm kind of slightly invested in because it's really intriguing and interesting. She is the one that we're going to court for today. And yeah, I wish I could tell y'all more about like the cases and stuff, but I really can't. It's actually really criminal defense itself is really interesting. Come spend the day with me as a criminal defense paralegal, going to court today and running errands as a busy mom. So today is going to be a very crazy day. I have to speak really fast because I have to get into the courtroom. So today is my first day going to court in litigation as a criminal defense paralegal. And when I say I'm nervous, I'm nervous. And today we're doing a bond hearing and probable cause hearing. And our client is currently incarcerated, but she's in the hospital. So we're going to try to get this handled via Zoom. So I filed the motion yesterday to request the hearing to be held via Zoom for her since she's in the hospital. And today the judge said that she will consider it at the beginning of court, basically. I'm trying to use simple words for y'all to understand because you won't follow along and understand if you're not in the law field. So that's basically how I can say it in simple terms.
when you call, run it back on replay. For your love, I go pay. For your love,
Hi, thank you for coming. And then today, let's see, we will be filing the motion for bond reconsideration today, and also for him to be tried as a juvenile instead of an adult. Okay.
you sing to the mic with my girl, you are that looking in your eyes, oh. Show you many things you can utilize, oh. If I say I love you, then I tell you like, oh. Show you
Y'all, court is officially over, and oh my goodness, wait until I can safely get out of here, and I'm gonna tell y'all my experience.
You want to start with anything in particular?
Yes, I need a drink.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all. When people hear criminal defense, they immediately think of these words: attorneys, victim, felony, jail, and the outcome of the case. But nobody ever talks about what it feels like to be sitting at the defense table in court for the very first time. This one was a little bit different because for me, because one, again, it was my first time in court, which I was already nervous. But then it hit me that I was criminal defense. Like, I'm on the criminal side of law, the defendant. I have to do the work to set the defendant free. The part that hit me the most is the fact that I think it would hit anybody the most is that when the victim is deceased. So that automatically makes the case a little bit more emotional, chaotic, deep. Like it's really like there with it when the victim is deceased, especially for the victim's family. Put yourself in the victim's shoes. If your family member was deceased for whatever the reason was, self-defense, whatever it was, you're going to be automatically emotional. That was the situation of my first court hearing. The defendant was, who we represented, and the victim is deceased. So her whole family had the courtroom jam packed. And it was just emotional. It felt like all eyes were on me and the attorney. It felt like we got the evil stares, and it felt like a dark shadow cloud over us. Like I don't want to share too much detail about it, but it really did affect me. And it gives me this adrenaline to keep going. Like I really love it, but it also gives you that, oh my gosh, everybody's looking at us. Oh my gosh, like we're the bad guys in the room. These are the things that I don't think a lot of people think about when it comes to it. But it was emotional. It was really crazy. And this case, I do believe to be self-defense based off of the facts or whatever. But I cannot put past the emotion of the family. Like I feel y'all, like 100%. They were crying in court. It was just a lot, and I really felt bad for them. And um, yeah, it was like super crazy, y'all. Nobody prepared me for this experience, and I'm enjoying it. Yeah, so I don't want to really go too much into detail about the case, but it did get crazy. I will say this. After the court ended, deputies actually advised us that we stay back and let the family leave the court building first. Because the emotions were so high, the case is so sensitive, they advised that, yeah, let's just sit down a little bit and let them leave first. And we did that. And we thought they were gone. We walked out and they were still in the lobby. So we had to do a quick little U-turn, come back and sit down. And it was just like, okay, we probably should have an escort to the car. But I really love criminal defense, y'all. This is fun. It makes work exciting, interesting. Every case is different. Every judge is different. Every client is different. Every victim is different. Like I'm enjoying it. And yeah. So that was my first court hearing. If there's one thing that I learned about criminal defense is that it's more human, more emotional than people realize. It's really easy to look at a case from the outside, like the headlines, the charges. But when you're sitting in that courtroom, you realize there's real people, real emotionals on both sides. Families grieving, defendants crying, attorneys who have the weight of everything on their shoulder, the judges, the paralegals, the legal team. It's like a lot of people and emotions and things involved in these cases. I know it'll be difficult. I know it'll be emotional. I know it'll be very sensitive information, but everybody deserves legal representation. That's all I have to say for now. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more day in the life as a paralegal content. I have a lot of work to do. Gotta file some stuff, some EOAs, some motions. Gotta call a few clients, and then we have 2 court hearings tomorrow. So, pray for me. This is the push that I needed. This is life changing.